Really quickly, hi. Why does it look like my eyes are blue? Okay, yeah, I have blue eyeshadow, of course, on my eyes. But guys, new vlog. I'm happy. I'm excited. Can you guys tell? Let me wipe this for you guys. I think I used the wrong type of fabric. Okay. Yes, now you guys can see me in 4K. I'm so happy. Guys, before I start with this vlog, I want to thank Showmax for sponsoring it. If you do not know what Showmax is an online subscription video on demand service. You can watch lots and lots of TV shows, movies, local, international TV shows on there. So outside of the fact that you can watch your favorite TV shows, movies and all of that, you can actually watch live TV. And that to me is such a big bonus. One TV show that I want to rewatch, and I came on here and I saw that they have everything from episode 1 is Game of Thrones. Like, I've been trying to find new TV shows to watch, and there's this feeling that I got when I was watching Game of Thrones, or when Game of Thrones was airing. I've never gotten that feeling with any other TV show, and I was just missing it. I was like, that's good TV and I want to watch it again. They have all the latest HBO shows. They have an entire section actually dedicated to HBO. So if you like HBO shows and you want to catch up on them, Showmax is your best bet, okay? Okay, they have this new deal right now called buy 1 month, get 2 months on us. Basically, it means that when you pay for 1 month subscription on any of their plans, you get an additional 2 months when the first month you paid for has expired. Okay, so that's just enjoyment. That's what I'll call that. They have about 4 plans that I know. So Showmax Mobile was 4,350 naira for 3 months. With this new deal, it is 1,450 naira for 3 months. Amazing. Yeah, I know. Showmax was 8,700 naira for 3 months. Now it is 2,900 naira with this deal. Showmax Mobile Pro was 9,600 naira for 3 months. With this new deal, it is 3,200 naira. And then Showmax Pro was 18,900 naira for 3 months. With this new deal, it is 6,300 naira for 3 months. Guys, I think that this deal is amazing. Like, look at the price difference. Okay, so good. And I'm going to have the deal page linked in the description box, so click on there to take you straight to the deal page. You can download the app from your app store, iOS store, and even on your TVs, so that you can watch any show or TV show that you want. The user interface is so good. Another TV show that I've started is Ajoche. Ajoche was very popular about 3 years ago, and a lot of people were talking about it. So I'm currently watching Ajoche. I'm going to let you guys know what I think about it. And I remember some videos ago I was telling you guys that there were no like daily BBN highlights last year when BBN was on. Guys, you can actually watch the daily highlights on Showmax for BBN. If you still want to kind of revisit the daily highlights that they showed last year for, you know, BBN, Big Brother Naija, you can watch it on Showmax. So guys, I'm going to leave all the additional information that you're going to need in the description box. So please make sure that you check there for links that you can click on. I am going to go on ahead and take my makeup off now and settle into bed. I'm going to be eating dinner today on my bed. Yes, I'm going to tune into Game of Thrones on Showmax. Watch that for a little bit, okay? And go to bed, and then tomorrow we'll continue, okay? Uploading today's video. here. Okay, just finished working on it, but I have to go grocery shopping. I'm wearing shorts under this top. Guys, I love this top so much. I got this as a gift. It came with a pair of leggings, but I don't like the leggings as much, but I like the top. Like, I'll buy 7 of these if I can find. I don't know why I have this feeling that I'll find more of these at Lekki Arts and Crafts Market, but I'm going grocery shopping, guys. There's no food in this house, so let me go and fix that. Guys, blood. Guys, it's so hot. It's so freaking hot. That whole Harmattan stint we had, yeah, we're done. It's so hot. So going to cook real quick. I want to cook stir-fried pasta. This stir-fried so it's going to have soy sauce, oyster sauce, all of that, just really quickly, and then that will be it for today for me. Prepped everything just to make my life easier. I like to do it like this, you guys already know, so let's do this.
One of a kind. love for better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriends, girlfriends. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. I don't really have time for you, boy. I don't wanna hear anything more. Boy, you really need to understand that I'm not your girlfriend. I just wanna be up in the club with my girls, yeah, sipping that pub. Never worry about la 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 love, cause I'm not your girlfriend. Yeah, yeah. And I never wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no.
I'm a little bit naughty, I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. You're a little bit crazy. It's been days but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye.
Guys, this hair is back. I have a lunch date with Umeh, so we're going to this very cool restaurant. I'm going to tell you what it's called when I get there, but I'm too hungry. I haven't eaten all day. This Amazon wig is serving me well, guys. Let me tell you people, my date is here. Umeh, say hi. Hi. Why is it not focusing?
Hi.
She's so shy, just like me. This is massive. I think I should have just gone for the salmon. What did you get?
Wings and potato fries.
This fish looks like it's about to beat me. It looks like it will get up from this and beat me. I am home. Guys, my stomach is so full. I just feel like sleeping. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to me if you're not yet subscribed. I'll see you guys in my next one.